Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to create your individual Kuja account. By joining Kuja, you'll be able to connect with organizations, discover opportunities, and become part of a growing community working to create positive change. Let's get started. From the Kuja homepage, click Register as an individual to begin creating your account. Kuja offers several registration options. In this tutorial, we'll register using an email address. Enter your email address. A verification code will be sent to the email address you provided. Open your email, copy the code, and return to Kuja to verify your account. Now, it's time to complete your profile. Enter your full name, date of birth, nationality, country, and location. If you'd like, you can also add your WhatsApp phone number. Next, write a short bio to introduce yourself. This is the opportunity to share a little about who you are, your interests, skills, or the work you're passionate about. Then, select up to 3 focus areas that best reflect your interests. Choosing relevant focus areas helps you discover opportunities and connect with organizations that align with your passion and expertise. Next, review and agree to Kuja's term of service, privacy policy, and code of conduct. Congratulations, your account has been fully registered on Kuja.